front door of this amazing room right here. We got this little corridor, vestibule, whatever you call this thing. I don't know. A counter for your keys. What's this for your umbrella or shoes? I am not too sure. Then we look into the bathroom. Looks kind of small, but there's some secrets hidden here. We have the dark marble right here. Some nice finishes. You got your glasses in here. This is the amenities right here. And then we have, what's this? Stuff right here. I don't know if I can do the one hand open, but forgive me. Forgive me. It's coming. All that to see this. Nice mirror setup. Got like these cool things over here. Very nice. All right. So it looks small, but it is deep. We have these tall doors that lead you to the promised land. This one, you step up to go into this dark tile shower that's very deep. It's a few steps to go all the way in. Got some nice looking amenities, of course, in here. Like I said, there's a step up. And then this has to be the water closet. Very nice. All right. We got the mirror right here. Then we have our nice closet with the robes in here. And they have the nice slippers. You can get your shoes shined. Steam vacuum. You can get your shoes shine. Steamer right there. And let's look at the meat and the potatoes. The room. Has this green vibe going on here. Nice big bed. The alarm clock has a wooden accent, it looks like. I like that. And there's more green back there. Very, very nice in here. The desk is under the TV. Another seat right there. Really dig this green, it's really cool. This right here is the mini fridge or the chiller. The cups were in here, but I took some out to put up there just for this, to show you all. The espresso, all your flavors. Then we have the nice water. Their carbonated water is like the best carbonated water I've ever had, because I don't really like carbonated water. Some pictures on the wall, and another one of my favorite features, of course, we like the floor to wall ceilings, but this nice little love seat right here, this green spot's really cool. And then this room in particular has a great view. Great view. If only I was like a couple floors up so that tree wasn't there. But very nice view. Very nice room. And you shall see. Thompson does it right. It's my second time staying at a Thompson property. And this room is dope.